Gina with WTI, and there's nothing that I love more than decorating with flowers. I wish that I could have all the fresh flowers from my garden all year round, but because I can't, I am loving these naturally dried flowers that I got from Jtoder. So I've actually grown these before. These are straw flowers, and they come in a beautiful variety of colors. The ones that I got range from a pale pink to a cream color to orange to yellow to a dark purple. But depending on which batch you get, you may have different colors. I'm delighted with these. I was able to use them to decorate simply at a baby shower recently, and I love the way that they look in my home. Each of the flower heads are glued to a stem, and because these are natural, you may notice that some of the petals do come off. This was very minimal and actually only really occurred when I purposely was trying to get some petals to fall out, as you can see in this video. These are real flowers, so they're not all going to be perfect, but I really like the uniqueness and the variety that came, and I think they're just beautiful. So if you're looking to brighten up your home, use them at a party, or maybe even give them as a beautiful lasting gift for someone, you are going to love these. And that's my point of view.